right, here is the discussion for our pre-substitution warm-up. So we have an equation y equals 2x minus 6, and the second equation is y equals 6. So on the second equation, if you know that y equals 6, you could take your 6 here and plug it in for the y. And so if you rewrote this equation on your paper, you'd have 6 equals 2x minus 2. And then you'd be ready to solve for x. So we could add 2 to both sides, and we'd have 8 equals 2x, divide both sides by 2, and so you know your answer is 4. On the second example here, we have x equals 14, and negative 3x minus 2 equals negative 18. So if I know that x equals 14, I could take this 14 and plug it in for the x. So I'd have to rewrite this as negative 3 times 14 minus 2y equals negative 18. Negative 3 times negative 14 would be negative 42. Negative 42 or 52? Yes, negative 42 minus 2y equals negative 18. And so then I'm going to add 42 to both sides. So negative 18 plus 42 is 24. So I'm going to have negative 2y equals positive 24. Divide both sides by negative 2. And I know that the value of y is now negative 12. On the third example, here we have x equals 3. I'm going to take this 3, I'm going to plug it in for x. What we need to be careful of here is that we keep that negative in front of x. So when we rewrite this, we're going to have negative, and then when you plug the 3 in for the x, it turns into negative 3, and then negative 3 minus negative 2. Very quickly, you get your answer is negative 5. And then on the fourth example here, 4x minus 4y equals negative 20, we would take again this 5 and plug it in for the x here. So we're going to have 4 times 5 minus 4y equals negative 20. So 20 minus 4y equals negative 20. When we are looking at this, remember this 20 on this side over here is positive. So we're going to subtract 20, and cancel. Don't forget to bring down your negative sign in front of your 4. And so then when you divide both sides by negative 4, the value of y is positive 10. That concludes your answer key for your warm-up.